Hey YouTubers, this is LDT coming at you with the 123. Me and Mr. 1-2, since we just did the card in the watermelon, we said to do a watermelon eating competition now. So we each got half or a quarter of a watermelon, since our watermelon was gigantic and we didn't think we could eat a half a watermelon. So we are going to do a watermelon eating competition right now and see who can finish a quarter of a watermelon the fastest.
So it's timed, or you're gonna actually try and eat the whole thing?
I'm gonna try and eat the whole thing. Or what do you want to do? Do you want to set a timer, or do you want to?
We'll try and eat the whole thing.
See who can eat the whole thing. Okay, count us down there, camera guy. You want to count us down, or you want to count us?
Go ahead.
3, 2, 1, go. Don't hold her down.
I don't know if I can.
He's a puker too. You gotta watch out for this guy. Fucking projectile vomit over here.
Makes good visual effects.
We played Chubby Bunny yesterday and he puked all over the camera. Spat all over again. It was funny.
I think that's good.
What? Better not be like the rabbit. Oh, look right there. Oh my God. For my own safety, I am moving.
Hey, you know how to eat this thing. I was like,
That's good. That's fucking good, yo. That's good. They're hard. You gotta be like a beaver. Oh, it's a...
I was lost at that last like room. 10 seconds.
Yeah.
I was close.
Yeah.
I had this much left.
Yeah. Whoo! I'm full now. Like, I'm full.
And you wanted to do the whole
I
thing.
know, that was bad. That would have been terrible.
It took everything just to get that much done.
Yeah. Yeah. Imagine trying to do the shirt challenge now. Alright. That's the end of